it's your girl QG. Yep, that's right, queen of the granite knife. Now, y'all, I'm so excited. I have an addiction. To those of you who may be new to my channel, welcome, first of all. Second of all, if you've been watching my clothing hauls, you know that I've been trying on clothes that I've been having for at least 4 to 5 years. And I'm just not even wearing them in front of y'all. So the first time y'all seeing them is the first time I'm putting them on and seeing them too. So, so obviously I have some type of hoarding addiction, but you know, that's neither here nor there. That's given all these great hauls I've been giving. But anyway, that hasn't stopped me from ordering more. Like I said, I think I have a problem. And Shein is the cause of it because they have such beautiful clothes and they're cheap. So it's just like that's just cause for a problem right there. You're giving me too much affordability and too much cuteness. So guess what? I got 2 of my packages that came in today. So I'm excited. I ordered this stuff and I don't even remember what I ordered. So that's the funny thing about it. So here's my packages. Here's package 1. Never heavy 2. Package 2. And I'm actually waiting for package 3 because I was just ordering stuff. Like, what is wrong with me? Like, I had nobody there to be like, yo, you might want to chill. You know, let's watch these pockets. You know, maybe you don't need that dress. Maybe you don't need, you know, that shirt or whatever. But nobody was there to say no. So I did what I had to do. Now, I'm just going to basically unbag this in front of y'all. I want to see what I bought. I want y'all to see what I bought. And let's just take a gander on what I have. So let's see. So like I said, I'm still waiting for the 3rd package. That's how much stuff I was buying. Yeah, I don't really know what's in here. But I'm excited because I love Shein so much. Anyway. Okay. Oh. So what is this? So we got the first thing here. Now whatever this is, this looks like a... It has a sweater look to it, so I don't know what this is. Oh. Okay, so what we have here. Okay, this is the sweater dress. This is the sweater dress that I had ordered. A brown sweater dress. Okay. So, just so y'all know, I'm unboxing the stuff. I'm going to do a haul for all of them once I figure out what the theme is. So this will probably be for my sweater dress haul that I'm going to do. But yeah, okay, so we have a sweater dress here. And then, let's see what this is. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Oh, we got some pleather. Okay. Okay, so I'm a little upset. Okay, hold up, y'all. These old glad bag pants. Okay, so I forgot. I didn't even know I bought this. I forgot that I bought this. Okay, so now I have a problem because I went to Rainbow and I purchased some pleather pants. So, because I didn't know that I had these. So, okay. Now it's a little weird because this looks weird. Now on the model, it looks better. Obviously, I didn't put them on yet, so I can't judge yet. But just going by the fabric, I don't know how that's going to be. And I've never worn pleather, like, pants or dresses and stuff before. So I don't know what this is going to be like. Y'all might be laughing at me whenever I put it on because I don't know what this is going to be. But we're going to see. But I'm mad because I got 2 of the same type of stuff. That's whack. Okay. Woo. Okay. So we got a nice little blouse here. I like this. This is that grown woman. Okay. I would have to pair this with something. Okay, I like that. Making me feel like a grown woman up in here. Like I got a job and a house and a car. I do. I'm grown. Anyway. Okay, so we have another sweater type thing. So, okay, what's up with all this brown, y'all? I know I love brown, but what? I don't remember buying this. y'all, seriously, I don't remember getting this. And I don't even know why I would get this because I already have other sweaters that's similar. I would have to look into my cart and see what's up because, yeah, why would I buy this? Whatever. I'll have to look at my cart and see what I did. There might have been a mistake made. Okay. I see some houndstooth. Let's see what this is. Houndstooth. Oh, uh-oh. Comes with a button. Okay. Extra button. That's cool. Okay, so this is a jumpsuit. Cool. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see this, but yeah, this is a jumpsuit. Pantsuit. Okay. I don't know how this is going to fit, but it looked really nice on the model. Hopefully I can say the same about me. I like that one. Okay, and the final one from this order. Okay, this is another, oh, okay, so I remember this is a sweater dress. This was very cheap. It was on sale. It was like $4. I'm not afraid to tell y'all how much I pay for my stuff, okay? Oh, okay, yep, sweater dress. Yep, here we go. So, yep, this will be for my sweater dress haul that I cannot wait to do for y'all. And, okay, so that's for the first, what's the words I'm trying to find? The first order that I made. Now, here's the second one. I wish I had the other one so I could do it all at one time. But I'm mad that I'm out here ordering clothes that's super similar to stuff I already have. That's where you get the hoarding, huh? Okay, so what's this? What do we have? Oh, okay. Oh, it's a see-through shirt. Obviously, if you have been watching my hauls, you must know that I must like see-through. Okay, so I like this. It has okay, seems like it had like a bit of a green tint. Do y'all see green? Because it's so see-through, I can't really tell. But it's like a green and brown see-through. And it's like that Michelangelo painting type stuff. I think this is going to be cute, actually. I can't wait to put this on. Okay. I'm going to have to find a nice bra to go with that. Like a brown bra or something. Because that has a lot of brown to it. Okay. What's this? I see another blouse. Okay, so yeah, I've been trying to step my wardrobe game up a little bit. Trying to be a little bit more grown woman. And blouses are definitely the epitome of grown, I think. Okay. Now, this reminds me, this is cute. I do like this. But this reminds me of, like, Puff Daddy back in, like, 97. like we about to be like, Biggie, 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 can't you see? That's what I feel like when I see this. But I like it. I think I know exactly what to pair this with. And, yeah. Can't wait to try that on for y'all. What's this? Okay, so what's this? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So a skirt. Now, if you've been watching my hauls, y'all need to be watching my hauls. That's just what it is. You need to watch it. But anyway, if you've been watching my hauls, you know that I don't really wear dresses or skirts. So anytime you're seeing me in these things, this is usually like the first time that I'm wearing them. And like I was saying in my other stuff, I've been wanting to try to get into wearing dresses and skirts more often. So this is me taking a stab at it. I'm not sure how that's going to go because I'm so not used to wearing dresses and skirts. But like I said, I'm trying to be a little bit more girly. Trying to get my pretty on. You know what I'm saying? So you will be taking this journey with me if you stick around. Okay. Wow, this is really big. All right, so this is another one of those pleather skirts in brown. Now, okay. This is one of those things I guess I would have to put it on to see because this seems really stiff. It seems really, really stiff. And yeah, I'm not sure, y'all. Not sure. We're going to see. But I can't wait. I cannot wait to put this on and try it on and put the whole outfit on. And hopefully I can set my camera to where y'all can actually see. Because I know y'all have this whole time seeing it, because I do. Okay. So we have this here. Another pleather skirt. What's up with the pleather? I think that's what's in season now. A lot of people have been wearing it. And I think I just joined the crowd, huh? Okay. Whoop. Okay, so yep. We have a yellow skirt here. I think it's, I have it backwards. Yeah, so we got this, like, this is a cute skirt. Now, this is what I said, the shirt that reminds me of the Biggie and Puff Daddy shirt. I would pair that with this. Obviously, I don't know if that's what it looked like, but that's what I had hopes on putting it with. So, we're going to see what that looks like. Hopefully, I don't look stupid. Okay, so we have another skirt. All these black skirts, but it's only because you cannot go wrong with black. You could literally put black with anything and it'll look good. But yep, a nice little, it has nice ruching. I think that's why I got it. It has a nice ruching to it. And it was on sale. I think it was what, like $5, something like that. Okay, my dress. Yes. Hopefully this dress looks as good as on me as it does the model. I love this. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, this is a dress. It's a very short dress too. Like I say, I'm so not used to wearing dresses, but I'm gonna rock this. I'm gonna tell you that now. Cannot wait. I love the colors. It makes me think of going on vacation to like Jamaica or something. That would be cool. Okay. And what's this? Oh, okay, these are slacks. Something that I definitely needed in my wardrobe. Okay. Definitely needed some black slacks. Oh, these are kind of see-through. Ooh, we might have an issue. Y'all gonna be seeing my panty draws. Like, you can see right through this. I don't know if y'all can, but me holding it up, I can see right through this. But yeah, I needed me some slacks. I'm gonna definitely pair this with some of these nice blouses. Okay. So I'm gonna do a haul, like, you know, things to wear to work and stuff like that. I think that'd be cool. Ooh, what's this? Ah, my shirt. Okay, I love this. I already love brown and black and this together. Oh my gosh, I love this already. I don't even have it on. I cannot wait to put this on. But this is a blouse. Love it. I cannot wait to put this together. And oh, what's this? Belt? I don't remember ordering no belts. Okay, maybe I did. Like I said, I be ordering so much stuff, y'all, to the point where I don't know what I have and don't have. But yeah, so some belts. You can never go wrong with a belt. So, and so that is it for today's unboxing. Y'all, I'm so excited. I hope that y'all follow me to find out what these clothes look like, so that maybe I can help y'all with some ideas of things that y'all are interested in. And so I just hope y'all stick around, rock with me, and let's see what this stuff look like, because it could be a fail. It could be an epic fail I'm about to endure here. Like I said, some of this stuff look a little flimsy, a little cheap, but we're going to see. So hopefully you'll stick around. If you subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Let's find out. Let's induce the hilarity. But yeah, give me a like, a subscribe, a share. Give me all that stuff if you care. And hopefully you'll return. And until next time, bye.